Here are 10 powerfully creative websites that you should know, part 3. And I bet you don't know a lot of these. As usual, all of the links are down in the description for you to check out on your own. First up is Zool, a major creative community based in China, which serves as a platform to showcase design, illustration, photography, animation, so much more. It's incredibly helpful because it offers a fresh, global perspective on visual design trends that you might not have seen. And it's particularly useful for illustrators, graphic designers, animators, anyone who want to expand their creative inspiration beyond their usual channels. Second is Talkiwalki, an illustration agency based in Paris that represents a curated selection of international illustrators. They specialize in editorial illustration, typography, cartography, portraiture, animation, and they are collaborating with clients across press, communication, and other cultural sectors. Their portfolio includes work from super notable clients such as Art, Hermes, Netflix, Nike. This makes Talkiwalki an excellent resource for those of you who are art directors or want to be art directors, editorial designers, brand strategists, anyone looking or seeking illustration talent on their next project, and so much more. Next is Analog, a digital design studio based in UK, which is crafting elegant, highly interactive websites and experiences. Their site is particularly helpful for inspiration if you're working on web-based projects, because their case studies and portfolio examples showcase how to merge sleek aesthetic with smooth user experiences, all while still looking super nice. Like I already mentioned, it's especially helpful for UI and UX designers, any web developers, or if you're a digital agency, or maybe just someone who's passionate about digital design. Number 4 is Today in Design, an online news source for designers curating the latest and most important stories across the design industry into a simple daily feed. It's incredibly useful because it helps you quickly catch up on design news, any trend reports, and important updates without having to jump back and forth between multiple websites, which is kind of funny because I'm actually giving you a lot of websites to jump back and forth between. But anyway, it's ideal for busy designers, marketers, students, and anyone who needs to stay up to date with minimal effort. All right, number 5 is Aaya. Hopefully I'm saying that right. A design studio specializing in visual identity, branding, packaging, type design with beautifully minimalist approach to their work. Their website features thoughtful case studies that clearly illustrate strategic thinking that is behind the creative decision. Very important for us to consider. This makes it helpful for branding designers, any of you who are packaging specialists, if you're an art director, maybe you're a creative that's looking for more refined contemporary inspiration, or anything that details insights into successful brand projects. Next is the Design Family Market, which is an online platform where independent designers and studios can sell high-quality original resources like typefaces, mockups, textures, graphics, and it's great because you can access unique resources created by fellow designers that are often not going to be available anywhere else. This is going to help you elevate those projects and support independent creators at the same time. It's a nice resource for freelancers, branding studios, agencies, or graphic designers who need distinct assets to streamline their workflow. Number 7 is Type Department, an online marketplace type foundry that curates and sells independent fonts created by talented typographers all around the world. It's helpful because they offer unique, high-quality fonts you might not find on the mainstream platforms, and they even provide detailed samples and use cases showing how these typefaces are being used. This resource is excellent for graphic designers, branding specialists, if you're a typographer, or if you're just super passionate about distinct typefaces. Next is Raw Pixel, and I'm talking specifically about their image search feature because it is super useful for finding high quality public domain imagery and design assets. Raw Pixel offers a huge collection of free and premium images that could also be vector and texture, making it perfect for creatives that need authentic visuals without the copyright issues. So it's going to be ideal for graphic designers, content creators, social media creators, anyone needing high quality, freely usable imagery. Number 9 is Tenni, a reverse image search engine that's extremely helpful for making sure that your designs, especially logos, are original and not unintentionally similar to existing work, because it's going to scan the web for visually similar images, helping you protect yourself or your clients from potential copyright problems. It's essential for graphic designers, honestly, any branding specialists, logo designers especially, and creative teams who want to ensure that their work stays unique and avoids any future issues. Lastly, number 10 is Visual Journal, an online magazine platform based in Italy dedicated to contemporary visual arts, photography, illustration, and of course, design. It goes beyond simply featuring projects because they are providing thoughtful articles, interviews, and editorial content that's going to help deepen your understanding of the creative process and the trends. It's useful for visual designers, art directors, photographers, and creatives who want to appreciate the insightful editorial content alongside the visual inspiration. Now, I still have plenty of other websites to share with you, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. And you need to be sure to check out the other helpful videos and tutorials I have here on the channel so you can learn how Kittl can help streamline your design workflow, because we also have a lot of cool stuff like assets, textures, graphics, images in Kittl that you can be using right now. Now, if you have other creative websites that we should know about, drop the name of them down in the comments. You can't post a link, otherwise YouTube will just go and remove it, but you can go ahead and post the title of that resource because I'm sure a lot of other creatives will find them useful. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in part 4.